my dear children of class 2. So children, in EVS we have completed the chapter water around us. Okay, and you know so many things about it, right? Why water is important, how water gets polluted, right? And how we should take care and drink clean water. Which are the fruits and vegetables have lot of water, so right? Yes. So children, today now we will do some written work from your EVS book, that is chapter water around us. We'll do fill in the blanks and true and false. Fine. So come, take out your EVS book and then we begin to do. And then we begin to write. So children, we have completed the chapter water around us. So what you'll do, you will know points to remember. Fine. Kindly go through this also, points to remember, which is very important. It summarizes the complete chapter and we have learnt uses of water for drinking, cooking, bathing, washing, watering plants and many more. Sources of water, that means from where do we get water? We get water from rain, lake, pond and river. These are natural sources. And man-made sources, dam, well, hand pump and canal. Then water for drinking. Okay, how can we make water safe or free from germs? That is by boiling and filtering. We can make water clean. So by boiling and filtering we can make water clean, and keep drinking water. Do not store it in dirty containers. Okay. Saving water. Do not throw garbage into water bodies. Collect and use water. Do not waste water. Fine. Now, the words to learn. Words to learn. So, on page 36, you will see all this. You have to know what do you mean by natural, found in nature. That is not made by man. Fine. Oceans are made by man? No. Trees are made by man? No. Okay, those are natural, not made by man. But buildings and all are made by man, isn't it? Man-made. That is made by people, not natural. Fine. So, dam is made by man or it is by nature? No, it is made by man. So, that is man-made. Right? What about trees are what? Nature. It is not made by man. Okay? Like wheels of a cart, bullock cart. It is man-made. But trees are man-made? No. Right? Dam. Dam is a wall that is built across a river to hold the water back. So you see the picture here. So look at the picture here. Dam. Okay. It blocks the water. The other side is the water. And when they open these gates, right? These are gates. When they open the water from the other side, they are released. Okay, so this is a dam made by man, made by people. Fine. Now next is pollution. Pollution means when it is made dirty. Like how water is made dirty, right? By throwing garbage. Okay, the process by which air, water, etc. get dirty and harmful. Then we cannot consume it. Then we cannot use those. We cannot use the water, and even there is impurities. Next is boiling. Boiling and filtering is what? It is a method to make the water clean for drinking, right? So boiling is in which germs in the water are killed by heating. When you boil water, it is heated, right? And the whatever germs is there present in water are killed. Next is filtering. Filtering is a process in which water is cleanse by passing it through a filter paper. So whatever impurities are present in the water, that will be removed through filtering. Look at the picture. Filter paper is used for filtering water. Impurities. Impurities are what? These are things present in a substance that make it dirty. Now children, look at the glasses here. Water are filled. And do you think this is clean water to drink? No, it is not pure. Impurities are present in the water. So through filtration, these impurities can be removed, right? Hose. That's a long soft pipe that is used to bring water into the gardens or when there is fire, etc. Now let me show you hose. Now children, look at this picture. This pipe, this is a long pipe called hose, right? H-O-S-E. This is called hose, right? So now we will do fill in the blanks. Fine? Okay, let us do this. Fill in the blanks. Okay, number 1, we mainly use dash for different uses. We use rainwater or seawater. We use rainwater. So we'll write down here rainwater. Fine. 2. Wells are dash sources of water. Natural or man-made? Wells are what? Made by man. Wells are made by man. Okay, it is not natural, but seas and rivers are natural. So this is, we will write man-made. Fine. Now we should drink dash water. Clean water, dirty water. Yes, we all know that we should drink clean water. Number 4, we should keep drinking water dash. Covered or uncovered? Yes, you know your chapter well. We should cover the water, drinking water. Fine. Number 5, we dash waste water. We should not waste water. We should what? We should waste water. We should not. Water is very precious in life. Okay, we should not waste water. Now, let us do this. Choose the correct answer. Why do we need water? Yes, you all know, for cleaning and washing, for drinking, for cooking, for all of these. Which one should we put a tick mark? Yes, for all of these. Which of these need water to live? Plants, animals, people, or all of these? All living things need water. So, all of these. Number 3. Which of these are sources of water? Rivers, rain, lakes, all of these. Here also we'll mark D, all of these. And rain is the main sources of water, right? Which of these causes water pollution? Boiling, filtering, throwing garbage in rivers, or covering water? What does boiling and filtering do? Kills germs and it removes impurities in water. Throwing garbage in rivers. So this is the correct answer. We'll put a tick mark here. Now, number 5. Which of these help us to clean water? Boiling, filtering, both of these. That means boiling and filtering, all of these. So it is boiling. So it is boiling and filtering, right? Both of these. So we'll put a tick mark on C, right? Children, we end our class here. We'll meet again in the next class, right? Till then, take care. Bye, children.